Respected fathers and dear friends, as we know, Bible gives so many accounts of dreams, such as dream of Joseph in the Old Testament, dream of Claudia, the wife of Pontius Pilate, dream of Joseph the righteous, dream of John the evangelist. Today the Gospel invites us dream of Joseph. So many features has been Joseph given to. Man of silence, man of righteousness, man of dream. Now we think about Joseph as man of dream. What is the reason to lead Joseph to that dream? Bible says, her husband Joseph, being a righteous man and unwilling to expose Mary to public disgrace, planned to dismiss her quietly. But just when he had resolved to do this, an angel appeared to him in a dream. Yes, he was not ready to Mary expose her disgrace. He respected her personality without examining right and wrong. It is one of the main qualities of righteous man, respecting others, concern for others. When we realize our limitations and demerits, how can we insult and judge others? Aristotle says, self-awareness is the best knowledge. When we realize ourselves, then we can admit our brothers with their limitations and weakness. If we do so, God will reveal great things which is beyond our intellectual capacity. The life of Joseph teaches the same truth. So now let's meditate how much I can accept my brothers with their limitations and weakness. St. Paul says, now you are the part of the body of Christ and individually members of it. We are the parts of one body. So how can we forget others? Respect others is the cornerstone of community life. Thank you. Have a graceful Sunday. So let us meditate how much I can accept my brothers, admitting their limitations and weakness. St. Paul says, now you are the part of the body of Christ and individually members of it. We are the parts of one body. So how can we forget others? Respecting others is the cornerstone of community life. Thank you. Have a blessed Sunday.